everyone. I am thrilled to present our innovative project that blends sustainability with technology. A solar-powered vacuum cleaner is driven by the versatile Arduino Uno. This project not only showcases our technical skills but also reflects our commitment to eco-friendly solutions. Let's start with an Arduino Uno. This powerful microcontroller serves as the heart of our project, enabling us to create intelligent systems that can interact with the environment. Its user-friendly programming interface and extensive community support make it an ideal choice for our ambitious designs. Now, let's dive into the solar-powered vacuum cleaner. Imagine a device that not only cleans your home, but does so sustainably by harnessing the power of sun. I would like to highlight 4 key features of my project: solar panel integration, smart navigation, eco-friendly designs, and it is best suited for Indian domestic households. Now, I would like to show this code and circuit diagram of this project. Guys, now you can see the code in front of you. In conclusion, our solar-powered vacuum cleaner exemplifies the fusion of technology, sustainability, and innovation. This project highlights the importance of renewable energy in our quest for smarter, more efficient solutions to everyday problems. Thank you for your attention, and I am excited to hear your questions and thoughts on this project. Thank you. Dhanyavad.